Picture this. You wake up to a notification on your phone that $200 has just been deposited in your PayPal account. A few minutes later, another $260 has entered in your account. Wanna know how you can make this picture into reality for you? Then watch this whole video carefully, because in this video, I will share with you how you can automatically receive your income like this in your PayPal account daily. You will be able to make passive money online like you've never seen before. And you can do all these on your phone. Hey there, and welcome to Business Reactor, the place to be for personal finance, crypto, and how to make money online. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell button to be updated with our weekly videos. Also, don't forget to press a like on this video and comment your thoughts down below. We love hearing them. Alright, let's dive right in. I'm gonna share with you 4 apps where you can earn passive income with practically zero work. The only work you need to do is download these apps and log in daily to start making money. The apps are absolutely free, so there are no joining fees. You don't need any credit card or put in any investment. The cool thing is most of these money-making apps are available all around the world. The US, UK, Australia, Philippines, Nigeria, Indonesia, Pakistan, and more. You can download and use only one of these apps and you'll start earning. But of course, the more apps you use, the more money you're gonna make. The first app you need to know to make money online is SuperPay. As with the other apps I will later share with you, SuperPay is available anywhere in the world, so it doesn't matter where you're based. This app is great because they're quite fast with payments. Within 24 hours, you get your money. Plus, their cash out threshold is pretty low. What's more, you get an instant 20 cents when you sign up. 20 cents just for signing up, and it's completely free to sign up. Did you know that they have paid out over $4.5 million to their members all around the globe through this app? It's really simple to make money on this app, and I will show you how. First, go to superpay.me and sign up for a free account. To join, just click the green button here that says Join Free Today. Then, just fill up your personal details right here and your mailing address. Don't forget to enter your payment details right here so you can get paid. When you're done, read the terms and conditions and click these buttons. Finally, click on this I'm not a robot box and you have your free account. All you need to do afterwards is start answering different surveys and complete different offers. They have different options for getting paid and cashing out your earnings. They have PayPal, Tango gift card, Amazon gift card, and Skrill. You can see here their proofs of payment under the tab Payment Proof. And you see right here the members who got paid today, how much they got, and how they got paid. Notice that many of them cash out using PayPal. Now, the second app I'll share with you to make money is App Karma. Again, this app is 100% free and it works on both Android and iOS devices, so you're sure to be able to use it. Why don't you let me know in the comments down below what kind of device you use? Besides being free, you don't need to invest any money to make money on this app. By just playing with this app, you can earn rewards and points, and then you can redeem your rewards through PayPal or through different top brand gift cards. To get this app, just look for App Karma in the App Store or Google Play. So just click on this button to download App Karma right on your phone. Once the app is installed on your phone, you instantly get 300 points for free. 100 points is equal to $1 US, so that means you get $3 just for installing the app. Pretty neat, right? This app is powerful because you can earn daily rewards just by logging into this app. Then you can receive different badges for doing certain things in the app, such as completing certain achievements or finishing a specific task. The badges help you to level up. If you look here, earning all these badges can increase your reward level. That's an extra 12.5% bonus for you. This is one way to increase your earnings. I'll give you an example. If you are making $100, you can turn your $100 into $112.50 by simply using these badges. So don't forget to check out the different achievement badges and how to get as many as possible so you can multiply your rewards and earnings. You can multiply your earnings even more with this app. All you have to do is refer other people to it. you can simply share your invite link or your referral code, which you can find over here. And you can earn 30% of what your referrals earn. No need to convince people to buy anything. So what's 30% in dollars? Well, it works like this. If your referral makes $100, you get 30% of $100, or $30 for free by just sharing your invite link. Of course, the more people you invite, the higher your earnings. With multiple ways to earn money on this app, be sure to download App Karma today. Before we continue, I want to know where y'all are from. Give this video a pause and comment down below what country you're from, because our viewers mean the world to us, and we appreciate every moment you spend watching our videos. Alright, let's get back to the tutorial. The next app where you can make a lot of money is Instagc. Let's go first to the Facebook page of Instagc. This is their name and logo, and over here, you'll see all their payment proofs. So you know for sure that they really do pay their members. If you go to the photo section, you'll find screenshots of successful redemption of points, and you'll see that they can pay you more through your PayPal account or as gift cards to shops like Walmart, Amazon, Target, and more. Basically, you earn points on Instagc for things that you already do online, like completing surveys, doing Google searches, browsing the net, and going to different websites. You can get paid doing these things for as little as 10 to 20 minutes a day, because you will get paid for every single minute doing these things. However, to really stack up your earnings, I highly recommend that you watch videos. Why? Because you can open multiple tabs and watch different videos at the same time. Plus, while that's happening, you can answer some surveys or search on the web. It's like cloning yourself several times, and that means more earnings for you. Brilliant! This app works for both Android and iOS, and also on your PC. To download this app, just join Instagc through Facebook, Twitter, or Google. Or you can go to instagc.com on your computer, then just type on this page your username, password, and email address. Then click on this button to sign up. You now have a free account, plus you instantly get 10 points for free to jumpstart your income earning. Now, the last app I want to share with you today is Cashkick. Unlike the previous apps, Cashkick doesn't use a point system. Rather, they just straight away send your money into PayPal account or through bank transfer. As they say on their website, cash is the greatest reward. Earning money on Cashkick is very similar to Instagc, except Cashkick pays more, so you can answer different surveys, you can find great deals, and you can surf the web, as well as watch videos. Again, I'm gonna recommend that you watch videos because that's the best way for you to earn the most amount of money on this app. Like in Instagc, you can simultaneously do other earning activities while having several videos playing on each separate tab. So let's go to cashkick.com and sign up for a free account. Put in your email address here and create your password here, and then click this button, Get Started Now. And that's it! You can now start your money-making activities on this app. There you go! Those are the free apps where you can start earning money easily and simply with no experience or technical skills required. And that's everything! Thank you for watching our video today. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe to our channel. Comment your thoughts down below, and we'll see you again next time.